they will go to any lengths, no matter the distance or effort, to be close to you and share meaningful experiences. This is where a powerful technique, inspired by the teachings of Neville Goddard, comes into play. Try it just once, and you may be amazed by how quickly you see results. Discover its magic firsthand and witness the transformation unfold before your eyes. Hey everyone, it's Emily here. Today, we're moving forward with purpose and determination, just like a river that gracefully carves its way toward its destination, shaping new paths and bringing our dreams to life. I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each of you for subscribing and turning on those notifications. We're here nearly every day, sharing new and uplifting videos to inspire and help you transform your life using the incredible power of the law of attraction. When we transform the way we view ourselves, our self-concept, everything around us starts to change, including the relationships we cherish most. As Neville Goddard so wisely said, change your perception of yourself, and the world surrounding you will naturally reshape itself in harmony with that vision. Many believe the key lies in changing their specific person, but the real secret, as Neville Goddard teaches, is that true change begins within you. When you elevate your inner state, your external world, including the people in it, will naturally begin to reflect that shift. This includes your specific person, whose actions, energy, and behavior towards you will transform in ways you might not have imagined. Before you know it, they'll feel an undeniable pull toward you, seeking closeness and connection like never before. When you reshape your self-concept and wholeheartedly embrace the truth that you are the ultimate prize, the one truly worth having, your external reality will begin to align effortlessly with this belief. Your specific person will naturally feel drawn to you, driven to pursue you and remain by your side. The key lies in maintaining this empowered perception of yourself. You are unique, irreplaceable, and the true treasure that stands out from the crowd. When you embody this mindset with confidence and conviction, they won't be able to resist being near you. If you find yourself thinking that you're not worthy or feeling as though everyone desires you except your specific person, it's a clear indicator that your mindset needs a reset. These limiting beliefs are the very barriers holding you back. It's time to release them and step into a new, empowering perspective that reflects your true value and worth. A friend once shared with me, "Emily, I have no problem attracting guys. Honestly, I could go on a different date every night if I wanted to." But that's not the issue. The real challenge is that my specific person isn't giving me the attention I deeply want and deserve. So I asked her, "Do you truly want him to desire you?" Without a moment's hesitation, she replied, "Of course I do." That's when I gently reminded her that she had unknowingly placed him on a pedestal. In her mind, she had made him the ultimate prize, forgetting that she was the one who truly deserved to hold that place of value and admiration. The reality was, she already saw herself as the prize with all the other men, except when it came to him. By continually placing him on a pedestal and viewing him as the ultimate prize, she was unknowingly creating a dynamic where he would never feel the need to chase her, never truly desire her, and never experience that deep longing to be with her. So, what did she do next? She committed to nightly mirror work, a technique I've discussed in previous videos. This practice is incredibly effective for reshaping your self-concept on a deep, subconscious level. Every night, before bed, she stood in front of the mirror, focused on her own worth, and reminded herself that she was the prize. She was the jewel. Gradually, things began to shift. Soon enough, he was the one seeking her out. She didn't have to call him or chase him. He started pursuing her. You must truly believe that they want only you, that they would do anything, even fall to their knees, just to be with you. They love you, they crave you, and they can't get enough of you. If you can't fully embrace and internalize this belief, then manifesting it into your reality will remain out of reach. So, what's the goal of this video? We're here to help you build a completely new self-concept, one where you are the prize, the one who stands out, the one who is truly special, and where they are the ones pursuing you, longing to be close. This is the new belief, the new reality you're stepping into. And the best part? It starts working instantly when you try it just once. But if you commit to practicing it daily for, say, 28 days, the length of a full lunar cycle, get ready for a profound transformation. You'll become unstoppable. All right, all you need to do is relax. There's no need to close your eyes. Just sit back, take a deep breath, and let yourself settle into the moment. As you do, begin repeating these affirmations. I've carefully chosen these from all the ones I've shared before because they are the most powerful for strengthening your self-concept and making them literally crave to be with you. And if they've made any mistakes in the past, get ready, because they'll be coming back to apologize too. So, all you need to do is listen to these affirmations, repeat them softly in your mind, truly believe in them, accept them, and fully embrace the new version of yourself that you're creating. I am the only one my specific person truly desires. They are fully committed to me because I am unique and irreplaceable. I am always chosen and placed at the forefront of their life. My specific person loves, appreciates, and cherishes me for my one-of-a-kind qualities. I am the most important person in their world. They are naturally drawn to me, captivated by my magnetic presence. I am the one they want to be with, and they see my value, recognizing that I am their perfect match. I am irreplaceable, and my specific person is entirely devoted to me. My specific person continuously expresses love and affection toward me because I deserve it. I am the perfect partner for them, and they see that clearly. Every single day, without exception, my specific person chooses me. They cannot imagine being with anyone else but me. I am the one they dream of, desire, and long for. My specific person loves me deeply because I am everything they've always wished for. I am one of a kind, and my specific person is fully committed to me and our relationship. They are loyal to me because I am unforgettable and irreplaceable. I am their best choice, and they see that clearly. My specific person is entirely invested in me because I am the love of their life. By now, you should start noticing results almost immediately as you fully embraced these new truths and self-concepts. However, if you continue this practice daily for an entire lunar cycle, the effects will only intensify. And remember, don't get distracted by what's happening in the 3D world around you. Instead, focus on shaping your inner reality, the world where you are the one they desire above all others. Quick reminder, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon because we share new videos 3 times a week to inspire and uplift your life.